In this section, we will review various mounting options available for HMI panels. Choosing the right mounting method is essential for ensuring your HMI is properly integrated into your system and provides optimal usability. We will be focusing on these four primary methods: panel mounting, wall surface mounting, DIN rail mounting, and arm mounting. In the following slides, we will take a closer look at the specific details and consideration for each of these options. Panel mounting is the most common method for installing HMI panels. It provides a clean integrated look within the control panel, keeping the HMI flush with the panel surface. This method requires a precise cutout in the control panel, so it's important to have accurate dimensions and use the correct cutout template provided by the HMI manufacturer. The HMI is typically secured using mounting clips or brackets that attach to the panel cutout. When planning for panel mounting, consider the panel thickness and material, the HMI dimensions, and the need for access to rear connections for wiring and maintenance. Wall or surface mounting offers flexibility when installing HMI panels. This method is suitable for mounting on walls, stands, or other flat surfaces, making it ideal when control panel space is limited or when the HMI panel needs to be positioned in a specific location for optimal operator access. Various enclosures are available to suit different environments and aesthetics, providing protection from dust, moisture, and other factors. When planning for wall or surface mounting, consider the mounting surface material and its strengths, the type of enclosure and its IP rating, and how you will route and conceal cables for a clean installation. DIN rail mounting offers a standardized and highly efficient way to install HMI panels within industrial control cabinets. DIN rails are a widely used system for mounting various electrical and electronic components, making it easy to arrange and reconfigure devices as needed. This method is particularly advantageous for maximizing space utilization within the enclosure, allowing for compact mounting of multiple devices. HMI panels designed for DIN rail mounting typically come with integrated clips or adapter that allow them to be quickly attached and removed from the DIN rail. This makes installation and maintenance a breeze. DIN rail mounting also facilitates seamless integration with other DIN rail compatible components such as power supplies, relays, circuit breakers, and terminal blocks, creating a neat and organized setup. When planning for DIN rail mounting, consider the type and length of the DIN rail required, the available space within the cabinet, the compatibility of the HMI panel with other DIN rail components, and ensure there is adequate accessibility for wiring and future maintenance. Arm mounting provides the most flexibility when installing HMI panels. It allows for adjustable positioning and optimal viewing angles, making it easy to customize the HMI's location to suit operator preferences and reduce fatigue. This method also helps optimize workspace and provides easy access to the HMI. When planning for arm mounting, consider the arm's reach and mounting options, how you will manage cables along the arm, and the need for stability and vibration dampening to ensure reliable operation.